What if the simplest way to change your life was already at your feet? Every day millions of people walk, but few realize it's not just physical exercise. It's a neural reset, a brain boost, a secret weapon for mental clarity, creativity, and even emotional healing. Today, you'll discover what 30 minutes of daily walking does to your brain, and why it might be the smartest decision you make all week. Imagine this, you're feeling overwhelmed. Work, deadlines, social noise, you step outside and start walking. Within minutes, your brain begins releasing endorphins, natural mood lifters, your stress levels drop, cortisol retreats, your breathing deepens. But here's the twist. While your feet move, your brain starts reorganizing thoughts. Studies show walking boosts default mode network activity, the brain's creative engine. Have you ever gone on a walk and suddenly solved a problem you couldn't crack all day? If that's you, hit the like button and comment "brain unlocked." Now here's a surprise. In some studies, walking outperforms meditation in calming the mind. Why? Because walking is rhythmic, grounding, and bilateral. Your left and right hemispheres sync up. Your anxiety lowers without sitting still or forcing focus. It's not just movement, it's motion therapy. Every step you take activates your hippocampus, the memory center of your brain. Over time, daily walking increases BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This is like fertilizer for your neurons. It sharpens memory, protects against cognitive decline, and it literally helps you grow a younger brain. And just when you thought walking was only about your mind, let's talk about your future. Researchers have found that walking just 30 minutes a day reduces the risk of Alzheimer's and dementia by up to 40%. Why? Because blood flow improves, neural inflammation decreases, your brain stays flexible, sharp, and alive. So while others invest in brain games and supplements, you're upgrading your brain with sneakers. The beauty of walking is that it doesn't require a gym, gear, or gadgets. It requires you. Start your day with it or end your day decompressing from it. Walk alone to think. Walk with someone to connect. Either way, you're rewiring your brain with every step. If you've made it this far, your brain is already shifting. Imagine what a daily 30-minute walk can do. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs a mental reset, and subscribe to Smart Path Learning for more science-backed wisdom you can use every day.